Have you ever wondered if it's possible to manifest financial abundance in a short span of time? Today, we're exploring a method to align yourself with the frequency of wealth and attract financial blessings in just 7 minutes. This approach is rooted in the law of attraction and uses specific practices to help you tap into the energy of prosperity. By focusing on these practices, you'll be opening up pathways for abundance to flow into your life. Let's explore and see how in a few minutes you can start setting powerful intentions to manifest money. To manifest money, it's essential to begin by setting a clear intention. Imagine yourself with financial ease, free from stress and limitations. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and visualize the exact amount you wish to attract. Let this figure be clear and meaningful to you, something that aligns with your goals and aspirations. With this clarity, you create a strong signal for the universe, one that's specific and intentional. As you visualize this financial goal, focus on the feelings of relief, happiness, and excitement that come with having this abundance. Allow these emotions to wash over you, amplifying your desire and strengthening your intention. These positive emotions create a high-frequency vibration that attracts similar energy, making it easier for your goal to manifest. Writing down your intention can also enhance its power. By putting your financial goal into words, you're committing to it in a tangible way, bridging the gap between thought and action. Write it as if it's already happening, using phrases like, "I am attracting $10,000 with ease and joy," to cement your belief in its manifestation. Repeat this intention to yourself throughout the day, reinforcing your commitment to abundance. Each time you affirm your goal, you're sending a powerful signal to the universe that you're ready to receive. This consistent focus on your intention helps to build momentum, attracting the resources, opportunities, and ideas you need to bring this financial goal to life. Gratitude is a powerful tool in attracting wealth, as it shifts your focus from what you lack to what you already have. Begin by listing things you're grateful for in your life, especially in the area of finances, even if they're small. This could include past opportunities, valuable skills, or even small financial gains that have come your way. By acknowledging these, you're opening up to more abundance. When you express gratitude for your current financial blessings, you activate a mindset of sufficiency and plenty. This mental state shifts your frequency, aligning you with more of what you're thankful for financial abundance. Accepting gratitude signals to the universe that you're open and appreciative, making it easier for new wealth to flow toward you. Gratitude also helps to dissolve any blocks you may have around money. Many people carry limiting beliefs like feeling undeserving of wealth or associating money with stress. By focusing on gratitude, you replace these beliefs with feelings of worthiness and positivity, breaking down barriers to abundance. If you find it challenging to feel grateful for money, try broadening your focus. Be thankful for things that contribute to your well-being, such as support from friends, job opportunities, or learning experiences. This practice will naturally extend to finances, creating an all-encompassing attitude of gratitude. Incorporating gratitude into your daily routine is one of the simplest ways to shift your mindset toward abundance. As you continue to be thankful for your blessings, no matter how big or small, you're setting yourself up to attract even more wealth and prosperity into your life. Another effective way to attract money is to visualize your future self who is already abundant. Close your eyes and imagine a version of yourself that is financially free, living a life where money flows easily. See yourself in the environment you desire, whether it's a beautiful home, traveling, or working on projects that bring joy. Visualize every detail clearly and feel as if you're already living this reality. This visualization strengthens your belief in abundance. When you see yourself as prosperous, you send a signal to the universe that this is your intended path. This shift in self-perception has a powerful impact on your subconscious mind, helping it to accept financial freedom as a real possibility. As you immerse yourself in this visualization, pay attention to the emotions it brings. Feel the happiness, relief, and excitement of having financial security. These emotions are key because they raise your vibration to align with abundance, helping you attract similar energies in your waking life. You can use this visualization anytime you feel doubt creeping in. When worries about money arise, take a moment to close your eyes and return to this prosperous version of yourself. This practice keeps you aligned with abundance, even in challenging moments, making it easier for wealth to manifest in your life. This visualization is not just a dream, it's a blueprint that guides your energy and actions. By seeing yourself as abundant, you begin to act in ways that support your financial goals, further bringing that vision into reality. Affirmations are a simple yet effective way to align your mindset with wealth. Choose affirmations that resonate with you, such as, "Money flows to me easily and effortlessly," or "I am a magnet for prosperity." Repeat these phrases daily, especially during moments when you feel doubt or fear about finances. They serve as a reminder of your inherent ability to attract abundance. Affirmations work by reprogramming your subconscious beliefs around money. When repeated consistently, they replace any negative thoughts or doubts about your financial worth with empowering statements. Over time, this shift in mindset creates a foundation of confidence and expectation, drawing money toward you. Speaking these affirmations aloud or even writing them down can amplify their effect. When you verbalize these statements, you're sending out energy that reinforces your commitment to financial freedom. Writing them down also solidifies them in your mind, making it easier to hold on to a positive outlook. To make the most of affirmations, consider incorporating them into your daily routine. Say them in the morning to start your day with an abundance mindset, and repeat them at night to end on a positive note. These affirmations will help you feel more secure and optimistic about your financial journey. Affirmations not only shift your beliefs, but also help to change your behavior toward money. As you internalize these positive statements, you'll find yourself more open to opportunities and more inclined to make financial decisions that lead to abundance. While mindset and visualization are powerful, taking inspired action is essential to bring your financial goals to life. Inspired action is about following intuitive nudges and taking steps that feel natural and aligned with your intentions. This could be anything from pursuing a new job opportunity to learning about investments or starting a side project. When you align your actions with your financial goals, you demonstrate your commitment to abundance. This proactive approach signals to the universe that you're serious about manifesting wealth, helping to open doors and attract opportunities that match your desires. Listen to your intuition for guidance on what steps to take. Often you'll find that ideas come to you naturally when you're aligned with your goal. Trust these insights and follow them even if they feel outside your comfort zone. These inspired actions are often the catalysts for significant financial breakthroughs. Taking action also strengthens your belief in abundance. Each step you take reinforces the notion that wealth is within reach, making it easier to stay committed to your goal. This consistency is key in the law of attraction, as it keeps you aligned with the energy of abundance. Inspired action doesn't have to be grand or complicated. Small, consistent efforts can be just as powerful as they create momentum and bring you closer to your financial goals. When you combine action with intention, gratitude, and positivity, you create a powerful formula for manifesting money. One crucial aspect of manifesting wealth is releasing any internal resistance you may have toward financial abundance. Many people have subconscious blocks around money, whether from childhood beliefs, past experiences, or societal messages that portray wealth negatively. To invite prosperity, you need to clear these blocks and cultivate a positive relationship with money. Start by identifying limiting beliefs you may hold, such as money is hard to come by or wealth is only for others. Recognizing these beliefs is the first step toward releasing them. Next, practice reframing any negative thoughts around money with positive, empowering ones. For example, replace "I'll never have enough" with "Money flows to me with ease and consistency." The words you use create a vibrational frequency, and shifting to an abundance mindset sends out an open and receptive signal for wealth. As you repeat these affirmations, you start to rewire your thinking, clearing resistance that blocks financial blessings. Forgiveness is another powerful tool in releasing resistance. Forgive yourself for past financial mistakes or misjudgments and let go of any guilt or shame you may hold about money. These negative emotions create a sense of lack that blocks prosperity. By forgiving yourself and others, you clear stagnant energy, making way for fresh opportunities and financial growth. Meditation is a valuable practice for letting go of resistance. Spend a few minutes each day focusing on your breath and visualizing any blocks melting away. Picture financial abundance flowing to you, free from any hindrances. This simple act can be a powerful way to quiet doubts and fears, creating a more peaceful mindset that welcomes abundance. Journaling is also a beneficial way to process and release resistance. Write about your thoughts and feelings on money, your fears, and your desires. This exercise brings hidden beliefs to the surface, making it easier to let them go. The more you acknowledge these thoughts, the less power they hold, allowing you to build a stronger, more positive relationship with money. Releasing resistance requires consistent practice, but it's an essential step in the infinity method. Each time you clear a block, you raise your vibration and strengthen your alignment with abundance, making it easier for wealth to flow freely into your life. As you release, you'll notice a shift in your relationship with money, transforming it from one of tension to one of trust and ease. The infinity method is a powerful way to tap into the law of attraction for financial abundance. By setting a clear intention, practicing gratitude, visualizing success, using affirmations, and taking inspired action, you're creating an energetic loop that continuously brings wealth and prosperity into your life. Try these steps tonight and watch as your financial reality begins to shift. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on manifesting your dreams.